is probably going to pay your taxes for the next 3 years or so. That's what happens when you're trying to not fall in the water. Most of them are like around 20% or so. They give you free money, and then you can use them to offset your taxes. Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. Today we're going to be talking about a very cool Roth conversion strategy that you can use free money to help offset your tax bill. So a lot of people don't know that they can use an annuity contract for this and get a pretty decent premium bonus. I mean, when you're looking at, just for instance, you got $1 million, let's say, you got that in an IRA, and I've got people I'm working with right now that got a whole lot more than this. And we're looking at 20 to 23% premium bonuses. There are some products that'll do 29%, but they're very limited, and they're only available in some states. Most of them are like around 20% or so that'll give you a premium bonus. Think about this. If you're already going to do a Roth conversion, you're already going to pay the taxes, right? Why not use an annuity contract that has premium bonus attached? Now, typically I'm against premium bonuses unless you need them for a Roth conversion, or if you're replacing an old annuity and you have to basically, whoops, almost fell out. These rocks kind of move around a lot. See, lost my train of thought. That's what happens when you're trying to not fall in the water. So these annuity contracts, okay, they give you free money, and then you can use them to offset your taxes by doing partial Roth conversions over time. Okay, so let's say you put $1 million in, you want to do a partial Roth conversion over time, over 10 years before you hit that RMD age. So it's a full Roth account by the time you hit that age. Well, you could do that yourself, and leave your money in your account and pay the taxes. There's nothing wrong with that. Or you can put it into an annuity, get an extra, for instance, if it's $1 million, get an extra $200,000 deposited in there. And then that $200,000, as you're doing those partial Roth conversions over the next 10 years, is probably going to pay your taxes for the next 3 years or so. So that's taxes that wouldn't have been paid otherwise, so it's nice to have free money. So this is a very, very viable strategy. People are using this a lot for their Roth conversions, okay? You can either do it yourself or you can use free money from an insurance carrier to help you offset that. There is an argument against it. People say, well, why would I do that? I could just stick my money in the stock market, get more growth, and then I'd have more money to pay taxes. Yes, you could do that. But as the market goes down, that strategy will not work at all. It'll be a horrible strategy. So, if you're looking to purchase an annuity and you want to look at premium bonus products, okay, it can't be a bonus for your benefit base for the income. I mean, we got those products too, for sure. I work with thousands of these, but if you're looking for the best one, maybe for your Roth conversion strategy, then I would highly recommend that you reach out to me. Okay, there is a link below this video. It goes directly to my calendar. And we'll get on a Zoom call, and I'll show you everything that's available, and we can kind of go over your strategy. And if you want to go and just check out what annuities are paying, just in general, maybe you want to see what rates are for MIGAs or for an income rider. Income riders pay out the most income. Then go to my website, johnstevenson.com, and you'll see everything that's available. So it doesn't really tell you which ones have bonuses. If you want that information, just contact me and I'll send it to you. So I'm not going to bite. I'm not going to try to sell you anything, but I will show you what's available. So anyways, I love annuities. I love what they can do for us. I love the fact that you can use this bonus money for these types of Roth conversion strategies. So bonus products in and of themselves, if you're looking for growth, probably aren't the best thing. With annuities, with bonuses, they'll throttle your growth over the years after that. But if you're looking for growth, we can look at those. But if you're looking for a conversion strategy for Roth, then I really do like these bonuses. So anyways, all right, let me show you around. Look at that, that's Carson River. This is where I take my sons fishing. Up there's a little bit of snow. You probably can't even tell. We had a nice big snowstorm last night, and that's just the bottom of some of the mountains around here. We got a ton of snow come in, and it's going to start coming down, I think, a lot more, but I had to get out here. You can see why. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's hard to beat this. So, and for me, when I'm sharing stories about annuities, I like to do it out here versus in my office. It's just kind of nice, breaks up the monotony a little bit, but it's a good way to stay in shape too. But it's really important. I meet with so many people all the time, and they've got their advisors, and they got people that are trying to tell them to do certain things, and they're usually trying to show them like one or two products that usually benefit the advisor more than the client, and it's just frustrating. And so for me, I just create as many videos of these as I possibly can so people can see that there are other options out there. There's a lot of them out there. And if you're going to look for an annuity, you need to be talking to a financial fiduciary, someone who is certified financial fiduciary, someone who has promised that they will always show the best products for you. They will show everything, regardless if the commission is lower. Okay? Believe me, I would love to make high commissions on my deals. And sometimes I do, but a lot of times I don't. A lot of times they're very low. But it's the best for the client. And that's really, really important when you are representing people. You represent the person, not the carrier. And so for me, I work with over 70 carriers and I show everything that's available. So, all right, there you go. That's my plug. If you got questions, reach out. If you got comments, ask them below. I will be answering them as well. If you like the video, make sure you like it, subscribe, share. And if you are looking for an annuity, please book a call. There's a link below this video. And of course, you can go to my website and do that as well. We will get on a Zoom meeting and I'll show you everything that's available. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.